Welcome back to our channel, Dave and Rose Travels. In this video, we take you along with us on a walk to the beach. Then after our beach walk, we will take you along with us to an independent brewery here in Playa del Carmen called Chela De Playa. So let's get ready for the fun. Dave and Rose Travels. Make sure you subscribe. It's the only way to see future content. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and hit that notification bell. And here we are in the beautiful Playa del Carmen. We're on our way for a beach walk. We are currently walking on Calle 38, and we're going to take you all the way down to the beach. Since we arrived in Playa del Carmen, it had been storming off and on. There had been some thunderstorms at night, but there aren't any going on at this particular moment. So we went on our way to the beach. And as always, if you haven't seen our last video, it's a must-see. We take you to Sabrina, a tradizioni italiane. I hope I'm saying that right. But it's a very yummy Italian restaurant selling pizzas, beers, cocktails, and some lovely pastries. It's a must-see. Now, to get back to our beach walk. To the right, you'll see this really cool restaurant. We've actually been inside of this restaurant. There's all kinds of turtles. La Cueva del Chango. Awesome place to go to. If you look to the right, you'll see this really cool cenote that's in the sidewalk. They've made a little bit of a waterfall around the top. It's a really cool thing to see as you walk on the sidewalk towards the beach. That little cenote is also located next to Chela De Playa, which is the brewery that we will be taking you to after our beach walk. I'm going to be holding off on my commentary until we get to Chela De Playa, the independent brewery that we will be taking you to after the beach walk. That's a monsoon cloud over there, babe. You see that? It's getting ready to got like 3 hurricanes out there, so we got a little bit of crazy weather going on. The port that goes to Cozumel. of our beach walk just about, we're going to be making our way to Chela De Playa because a microbrew sounds tasty right about now. And like that, we're at Chela De Playa, Cervecería Independiente. Chela De Playa is an independent microbrewery located in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. Chela De Playa is located on Calle 38 entre 1A Flamingos Centro. One of the coolest things is the cenote that's in the ground right next to the microbrewery, the erosion of limestone, or the fact that there was an impact crater in the Yucatan Peninsula, which is located under Chicxulub, which is located in the Yucatan Peninsula. Chela De Playa, the first craft brewery located in the Mexican Caribbean. It is a family-owned microbrewery located in Playa del Carmen. There are now a few microbreweries in the Yucatan Peninsula. We've actually got to taste the Tulum beer, which is brewed in a microbrewery in Tulum. Chela De Playa microbrewery brews many craft beers. An American Pale Ale, another microbrew called Kolsch. They also microbrew a porter, a white IPA. They do sell food here, but we didn't order any food. We were only here for the beer. This brewery will also do free tours if you would like. You can go inside and see how all their microbrews are made. They also have some really cool merchandise if you're into having a little bit of a memento from where you've been. I was able to go inside and take some really cool video footage within Chela De Playa. People are always kind when you want to take a little bit of video footage and they just don't mind letting you do so. And like most places in Playa del Carmen, Chela De Playa is pet friendly. And after we were done with our delicious beer, we wanted to take some back to our room, but they were out, so they canned some for us. Look at that, guys. Chela De Playa. Go there. It's awesome. Worth your while.
Later.
In our next upcoming video, we take you into the buffet breakfast located within the Hotel HM Playa del Carmen. Make sure you subscribe to see that. Make sure you're subscribed because we have some fun